Welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing another cook on the Slow and Sear travel kettle. I want to fully test it out. I did one cook on it so far, some burgers, and that went as expected. Today's cook we're going to do low and slow. We're going to test out the low and slow and see how well we could achieve this cook. Alright guys, so right now we got some massive pork chops, got some center cut bone in, and you can see they're nice and thick. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a nice easy rub on. I'm going with this pre-made rub by Major Flavors. This is his Memphis barbecue. This is excellent, great on chicken, awesome on pork ribs. We're going to do it on these pork chops today, but I'm not using a binder. All I'm going to do is just sprinkle it up top, get a nice coat. That's it. Kind of pat it in a little bit. To the other side. That's it. So I'm going to let these rest, hang out, and I'm going to get that slow and sear ready to go. That's it. Definitely recommend checking Major Flavors seasonings out. Major Flavor Seasonings is they have a great line. I'll put the link down below. With this extra, I'm just gonna mop it up on the sides, pick up what I can. I'm not really too concerned about it. There we go, boom. All right now I'm just gonna get the kettle up to temp. And hopefully this cook goes nice and well. We're going to be testing out that Slow and Sear travel kettle. Alright guys, so I just put the charcoal inside the charcoal basket. Now this is all unlit. Then I have a bunch that's lit on top. Alright, underneath I have a piece of apple wood, just a little piece, not too crazy. This is my drip pan / water pan that I'm using today. I gotta find one that fits good inside here, so I had to use this weird pie pan and kind of make it work. So anyway, I want to let this go. I got the bottom vents open, I got the smoke hole open, and I'm gonna let this go, try to come up to temp at least 225 before I put the meat on, then go from there. Got a little snow on the grate here. That's all right. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see the temp gauge, but we're at 275. I'm happy with that. At this point, it's time to put the meat on. Gonna throw these straps on. And I'm gonna try to run my probe through this probe hole. All right, good. All right, guys, as you can see, the temp rose up a little bit, not too bad. And I'm only looking at 65 so far. So I really don't want it to go higher. If it starts climbing up, I'm probably going to close the bottom vent a little bit more. But anyway, something I noticed with this, you kind of got to either grasp the snake method really well or use the Slow and Sear basket before, because you really got to get on that temp in the start, because if you let the temp go, it's going to be hard to bring it down. So just something to keep in mind, guys. Alright guys, so I couldn't show you the last couple minutes out on the grill because it is dark outside. Unfortunately, it's that time of year. Anyway, This is the finished product. We got 3 chops. All I put on was that rub, but the last 10 minutes I put this on. Captain Ronnie's Bouquet glaze. Very, very good. Has nice sweet heat. It's good to put on almost anything. Seafood, fish, pork, chicken. Anyway, so I took these two. This was 160. These like 155. So this one is probably the most well piece right here. I'm just gonna cut into it and see what we got. It looks very, very nice. Yeah, this is definitely on the weller side. I could see that. It's definitely on the weller side. But I'm gonna give it a try. Really good. Yeah, so that little kettle, very versatile. You know, you can bring it anywhere. You can do a lot of things. You can do hot and fast, some slow and low. However, as you can see with the slow and low, because it was too close to the fire, get a little charring on the bones and whatnot. Now, if I just had a regular size kettle, probably wouldn't have got that. However, it is definitely good. Meat turned out good. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.